In this video, let's quickly review the Baseus desk lamp, whether it's really good and what are the pros and cons of it, and overall how's the quality of it. Let's quickly find out. Actually, I have unboxed this. So here's the product. Let's just keep this box aside. And inside the box, we got a USB A to Type-C cable, which is actually good because we can charge this via Type-C port. And let's talk the quality of it. This is made from aluminium, and on the base it has a strong grip. Let's just do a quality check. This is good, and this is also good. And let's check the grip of this product. As you can see, it has a kind of a strong grip. And here's how to use this product, like that. And also we have the on off switch on the back, and this is a touch control button. From here we can just turn on the light as well. So before talking about the specifications, let's check the quality of this light. I just turn off my key light, then you can see the quality of it. Actually, I have made camera settings to adapt with the key light, so sometimes the original quality of this light won't show to you, but I'll tell in my experience how it feels to me. And let's turn on the Baseus light. Actually, this light has three options. One is white light, which is 6000 Kelvin, and the other one is it's kind of a mixed light. It has the white and yellow light. So this one has 4500 Kelvin, and if you talk about the warm light, that yellow color light, here's how it sees, and this has 3000 Kelvin. Actually, for me, the light is pretty good. Let's check with the book. This is the warm light, and if we change it to the white light, oh my god, this is really good. Actually, I'm telling this honestly, the quality of it is really nice. In my opinion, this is a perfect lamp for a desk setup. So let's turn on the light again. And this has a built-in massive 2200 mAh battery inside of it. Because of that, according to their description, we can continuously use this for like 13 hours. So the weight is like 550 grams. So overall, in my opinion, I can really recommend this product. If you're looking to buy this, I'll keep some affiliate links on the description as well. You can check that as well. So what's your opinion about this product? Just let me know in the comments, because it will definitely be useful for someone who is looking to buy this kind of a product. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in the tomorrow's video.